Now without any warning, the storm clouds start forming, and my knees start to shiver and shake, because they know what's coming, and they feel just like running, but I know there can be no escape. You see, lately something happens when the thunder is a-clapping and the raindrops start hitting my face. I hear voices in the rain, haunted and filled with pain, and they're all that filling my head and whisper in my ear all my deepest fears, and they're telling me that I should be dead. It's got me pleading with the sun, screaming at the wind, and praying for my kingdom to come. Now the voices are soft-spoken, like every heart's been broken, and all of them sound so afraid. Oh God, please make them stop, or I think I'm gonna drop, and it feels like my last card's been played. If I make it through the night, maybe I'll be alright, and the daylight will take all this pain. You see the rain, it's not stopping, and I see all the bodies dropping. It's like the end of the whole human race. It's got me cursing at the sky. I really need it to go dry. It's like the sunshine should fill up this place. And if I make it to tomorrow, daylight will take the sorrow, and the sun will keep the voices away. I hear voices in the rain, haunted, filled with pain, and that's all that's filling my head. They come and whisper in my ears all my deepest fears, and now they're telling me that I should be dead. It's got me pleading with the sun, screaming at the wind, and praying for my kingdom to come. Now the voices are soft-spoken, like every heart's been broken, and all of them sound so afraid. Oh God, please make them stop, or I think I'm gonna drop, and it feels like my last card's been played. And if I make it through the night, maybe I'll be alright. And the daylight will take all this pain. I hear voices in the rain, haunted, filled with pain, and that's all that's filling my head. They come and whisper in my ears all my deepest fears. Now they're telling me that I should be dead. It's got me pleading with the sun, screaming at the wind, and praying for my kingdom to come.